Hey, Greg Marchand here. Guess what? Being an owner is lonely. It really is. And here's the problem. I watch these shop owners that start to gain employees, and they start to gain experience with managing a business and managing people, and then they realize, oops, you know what? I screwed up. Because when I first started this business, the technician I hired or the service advisor I hired, it was just he and I or she and I, and we became friends, and there was camaraderie here. And now that I got 6 employees, I realize I shouldn't be friends with these people. I not in work, not outside of work. They're my employees. You see, as an owner, as you know, the person that has all the skin in the game, you've got to make tough decisions that not everybody's going to understand. You need people to perform in a certain way that not everybody's going to understand. You need to be able to treat everybody with consistency and no favoritism. And look, at some point, you get to make most of the decisions. And most people aren't going to like those decisions, right? There's always going to be, somebody's going to have a better idea, a different opinion. They're not going to get why you did what you did. Being at the top is lonely. Being an owner is lonely. I hope that you've got a spouse or a significant other at home that's either involved in the business with you or is at least willing to listen to you when you get home. I encourage you to go join a 20 group. All right, go join a mastermind group with other shop owners so that you have somebody else to talk to. Because being at the top of an organization, it is really, really lonely.